Now we're out of the third lockdown, is it time to explore and experience new adventures?
Do you like camping in nature with all the wildlife?
Would you trade in your motorhome for a Ferrari?
Stick around, stay tuned, because that's what we got coming up in this video. It is the bank holiday weekend, not Monday yet, it's Saturday, and we're out in Herman. We're in New Forest at Denny Wood, camping in the forest campsite, and it is packed, but apparently it's not fully booked. There are still spaces like this. People are still coming in, but yeah, there's still spaces around. Over here, loads of camper vans and motorhome and caravans over there. Fixed a bike, bit of a thorn, causing me problems.
Did you show the thorn?
No, it's too small, the thorn. But we're going to go out and go for a little jaunt on the bikes. Don't know where we're going, don't know how far we're going.
We're not going far.
We're not going far because it is almost lunchtime.
We haven't got going, have we?
No, we haven't got going, no. Are you ready though?
I am. Can you not tell I'm ready? I'm always ready.
Here's reception, or the office. It's where you check in. Well, here we have the facilities for the entire campsite. This is where you empty your wastewater and your toilet. And just over here is where you fill up with drinking water. Ooh. Another video and another barbecue. We've got those chicken things again, chicken and chorizo. Got some burgers this time. The ones that Zoe forgot last weekend. Of course, we have to have the pepper on there. Today though, it's been a bit on and off really with the weather. We've got had a bit of rain and lots of blue sky at the same time, so it's a bit weird. Wow, just wow, look at that. Got the burger with a bit of cheese on it. We've got our pepper with the stuffed couscous and the chicken and the beans of garlic and ginger. Made up. But yeah, it's gonna be, oh, and of course we've got the beer. Looking forward to tucking in, very hungry, chilly outside, so we're not eating outside, we're eating inside. So anyway, there you go. Good morning everybody. It is a Sunday and we're having another glorious day here in the New Forest. One thing I thought I'd show you around is our pitch. Not much to see really, because we're just practically wild camping in the middle of a wooded field. No electricity and no toilets here or anything like that, so we're having to cater for ourselves, of course. And today, because it's such a glorious day, even though it's a little bit chilly, we're going to use the bikes to go into Lyndhurst. We haven't been to Lyndhurst for a while, been there several times, but not for a while. And we're going to take a look around there and maybe get some New Forest food, local produce. So, in the grand scheme of things, not grand scheme of things, but the magic of video, we're going to get there right now. As you can see, we've arrived in Lyndhurst. Very busy road, Lyndhurst, one-way system. Try to avoid. There's a tip of the day for you. Now, probably the biggest attraction in Lyndhurst is this. The Ferrari shop. But does it have a bathroom, a kitchen, and where do you keep your cold beers? It's just like, well, yeah, I think we'd rather have Herman. What do you think? Well, it is. It's a cow.
He's all on his own. It's getting very busy here, isn't it?
There's a cow. Right, take two. Yeah, so it's we're getting hungry. It's getting to be around lunchtime. We went to a cafe, got ourselves a takeaway. So Zoe's got
You don't have
chicken mayo sandwich. Get this though. This is mine.
Wow. That's a big box with hardly anything in it.
See if I can open this. This is a takeaway cream tea, 2 scones. We got the jam. Oh, we even got a knife. Thank you very much. Look at that. Except, did you know you had to pay for the tea part of the cream tea? Extra 50p. So I thought
That's a bit of a con, isn't it?
So I thought I'll go with Zoe and get a
Old Jamaican.
Jamaican
beer.
in ginger beer. So we're going to tuck into these and then
Cycle back.
probably cycle back. But here's a tip for you. Another tip.
He's got all these tips, Azad.
So we're at Bolton's Bench. Now this is most likely the only parking near Lyndhurst, really. This is quite a large space here for motorhomes and campers. And the road continues around here and there's more parking up there, you see. But yeah, it gets tight when it's busy. And there's more parking way over there. It is now Monday, bank holiday, May bank holiday is right now.
Yes.
And we're going to be leaving very soon, which is a bit of a shame because we liked this campsite, didn't we?
Yes.
We've never been to Denny Wood before. Well, we walked here, what I think it was, and just had a visit, wander around. But we've never stayed here, and we never knew about so many cycle paths here from this campsite.
That's
It's
right.
amazing.
And how to get into Lyndhurst, because that doesn't take very long, did it?
No, it didn't at all.
I mean, you could go along the main road, but we kind of went sort of through the forest and that way, which was nicer, wasn't it?
This helped. Now I bought this. This is a cycle map. It says cycling in the New Forest, and yeah, it's just a map of the New Forest and it contains all the it contains all the New Forest. Contains all the cycle routes and footpaths, and yeah, I bought this last time we were at Herman Fest in Roundhill. So that's been very useful.
$3.99.
But I think that's going to be the end of this video, which is a shame, really, isn't it? I know you weren't looking forward to the end, but if you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, maybe you should consider subscribing if it was that good.
Free.
Yes, for free. And if you do subscribe, there's a little bell. If you click that, you'll get notified when we release another video. Any comments on our time in the New Forest? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you very much for watching and goodbye. Are you miming what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you're going to say the same thing.
Well,
Right. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now. Keep watching till the very end. Like and subscribing.
We don't
helps.
want to go.
No, we don't want to go.
No. It's cold out there,
It's
Ad.
getting a bit chilly.
Right. Turn off now, Ad.